Okay, Emmy's back. Let's go. Let's make some food.
There was a bowl except it was way too small, so I got a plate instead.
Okay.
Because I got it from the dishwasher.
Okay.
Because I was too short.
That's okay.
So now what?
Now, the beans, you need to cut it tiny. Like 2
So with
inches
a
long.
knife.
Remember, I
yeah.
teach you how to cut the beans? Excuse me. Yeah, that's how you cut the beans.
I'll do big pieces and I'll do small pieces.
Yeah, not very long. It's hard to eat when it's too long.
I'm going to cut the eggplant too.
I don't think so. If you can, cut it.
I want to.
Okay.
Okay, so we will put the beans on this side, the tomato on this side.
Yeah.
And the bell pepper on this side. And this right here.
I don't know if it will fit. Or you don't use all the beans? Just a little bit?
Oh my god. You see that thing way over there?
Oh, that's far away.
That's why I don't stand there.
They're safe. They don't bite us.
Okay, so how about we put the eggplant right over here? And
Yes, you can.
And the tomato right here.
Yeah, you can do it.
And the bell pepper right here, since there's only 4 spots.
But we need a chopping board.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can slice their big.
I can.
Just get the butter knife and the chop. You know the big chopping board inside the drawer, the white one? You can bring that.
There. So now I'm just gonna do a few more beans and 2 more beans and then do the eggplant.
Okay.
I mean the tomato.
Okay.
We'll do smallest to biggest.
Okay.
But we're not doing this since there's no room.
That's too long. That's too long. We can't eat that long. We might choke. You know, you can eat that fresh. You remember, Sherry? You want to try? Just bite. They're really good. And remember when you're 1 year old, 2 years old, you ate that every day with the beef?
I will try it when I get older, though.
Right now. Why wait until get older?
There.
Okay, what's next?
So now we're gonna do the tomato.
Okay.
Now let me get the chopping board and a butter knife.
Okay. Okay, let's cut the tomatoes now. Watch your hand. Be careful. Move your feet. Yeah, move your hand away from it. Sharp. Oh, you're good. Okay, can I finish?
Some of the water...
Just I will do the cutting and you do the slicing.
Okay. So some of the water...
Hold it, please. Hold it, please.
Some of the water splashed in my face.
That's okay. That's the juice. Look at that. Is it that fresh? Wow, that's really good.
I'll cut it in half.
Okay. And you can put it here. Oh, that's too dangerous for you, I think. Let me do the slicing quick. We don't need a lot because we only make like a bowl of soup. Okay. I will do the cutting. I don't think so. This is... Oh, now it's small so you can do more. Okay. Do you think you can slice now? Good.
This is in here.
Oh, I think that's good enough. Okay, put in the side.
Let's put this time to this.
Yes.
And let's
Use your hand. Use your hand, Em.
put this like this.
Yeah. Okay, just use your finger. It's easy, like use your finger, Em. Come on, use your hand. Why like that?
I don't like touching vegetables.
No, you're gonna eat it later. Put it in microwave.
What?
Okay, next is the eggplant. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think you can slice the
I
eggplant?
love cutting it.
Okay, I will do the cutting.
I love it because it looks so easy.
You can hold the eggplant and I will do the cutting.
Right there.
Yes, please. Hold the other side too. Okay. Okay, let me pull the big one. And then, okay, hold another one. Hold it.
Smells like
Delicious.
fruit.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay, you're done the eggplant. Put it in a plate.
Okay, so let's put it like this.
Use your hand.
You always tell me to use my hand. There. There's 3
Okay, the last one is the bitter melon, or we call it ampalaya. Okay, can you? No, I will do the cutting because it's too hard for you. Hold the end part.
I'll just pretending.
Yes.
It's like corn when I hold the full thing.
Yeah, kinda. Okay, let's do the tiny piece, and we will slice it.
So now what?
Just wait. Okay, slice the bitter melon. This is bitter melon. Huge.
Very, very, very huge.
Very big or huge, not very huge. Okay, now. Okay, this time you're gonna put them in the bowl and then cook in the microwave. Do you think they will fit?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm gonna taste it later.
Oh, am I?
Okay, add the eggplant, the beans, and the tomatoes. Not all because it's too much.
Oh my god, this looks kind of weird.
No, by the time it's cooked, it will be so delicious. The eggplant. Oh no, the tomatoes. Yeah, you got it.
We'll have to do small tomatoes. Oh my gosh. This is kind of weird. Oh my gosh, this is kind of weird.
It's not weird. It's real veggies.
Looks weird.
It's not.
I never touched veggies. So let's add a little bit more beans. I need some salt and pepper.
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
Okay. Okay, she's back. She took salt and pepper and the spoon. Yum. Okay, wait. I think you need to add a little bit water. Okay, get a water bottle, please. Okay, she's back. Now she get a little bit water. So okay, okay, pour a little bit water.
I need help opening it.
Okay, pour the water. Not too much. One more. Okay, that's enough. And then
Now what?
put the salt and pepper. Not too much. Okay, that's enough. Salt? Is that pepper or salt?
I think, well, this is pepper.
Okay. Good. Okay, then cook in your microwave. Okay, please sit down, Ems. Please sit down. Push the door in the bottom. Okay.
I have to hear click there.
Start. How long?
I put the broccoli, the meat, the fish.
How many minutes? 1 minute?
Yeah.
Do you think it's cooked now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I have to mix it.
Mix it and enjoy your veggie soup. Okay, give it a try. Just a try, just a try. You made it. You need to taste it.
Okay, I'll try this bean.
Yeah, try the beans.
Is that Daddy?
No. Do it. Oh, that sounds so crunchy and fresh. Is it 2 thumbs up? 2? Good job. You're the best chef now.
It's good.
I know, you're the chef.
Except it's only 1 thumbs up.
Just one?
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.